Hey everyone, welcome back. I want to get right into something that might just be the most important 3 minutes you spend today. Because if you think water shortages, droughts, or grid failures are a someday problem, let me tell you, they're not. I learned that the hard way when our well ran completely dry last summer. And let me tell you, nothing prepares you for that moment when you're staring at a dry faucet, with your family looking to you for answers. That's when I discovered Joseph's Well, and honestly, it changed everything. I wasn't looking for some overpriced industrial water machine that costs $10,000 and needs a crew to install. I needed something I could build with my own hands, something real. And that's exactly what Joseph's Well is. It's a step-by-step blueprint designed by a guy who went through his own water crisis that shows you how to build a compact, off-grid water generator that pulls clean, drinkable water straight from the air. I know that sounds wild, but I built it myself. I'm no engineer, just a regular guy with a few tools in the garage and a reason to protect my family. The system pulls in humidity, condenses it, filters it, and collects it, all quietly. I powered mine using a small solar panel and a car battery, just like the guide suggested. And within minutes, I was watching cold, clean water drip into a tank right in my backyard. I got the entire Joseph's Well program for just $39. That's not a typo. $39. You get the full video guide, detailed blueprints, a parts list, solar setup instructions, and even bonuses on how to store and purify water the right way. I had mine running in a single day, and since then, we haven't bought a single bottle of water. It just works. But let me say this loud and clear. Don't go looking for this on Amazon or other websites. There are knockoffs floating around. If you want the real Joseph's Well system, the one I used, the one that works, you have to get it from the official website only. In a time when people are literally fighting over water, I don't think it's just smart to be prepared. I think it's biblical. I believe we're being called to provide, not just for ourselves, but for our communities. Joseph's Well, it's more than a water system. It's provision, peace, obedience. I've built it, I've used it, and now I'm telling everyone I care about to do the same. Don't wait until it's too late. Head to the official site and grab the guide today. I promise it's worth every single drop. Stay safe, stay ready, and God bless.